To install Visual Studio Code, VS Code, here's a step-by-step guide for Windows. Go to the Visual Studio Code website. Open your web browser. Visit the Visual Studio Code download page. Choose the installer for your operating system and download the installer. For Windows, select either the user installer or system installer based on your requirements. The user installer is recommended for a single-user setup, while the system installer is for system-wide installation. Locate the downloaded.exe file and double-click it to start the installation. Accept the license agreement. Choose the installation location or leave it as the default. Customize the installation by selecting options like adding Open with Code to the context menu, helpful for quickly opening files folders. Adding Visual Studio Code to the system path for command line usage. Click Install to complete the process. Once installed, you can check Launch Visual Studio Code and click Finish to open VS Code. Go to the Start menu, search for Visual Studio Code, and open it. Once VS Code is open, you can customize it by installing extensions, e.g., Python, JavaScript, C++, via the Extensions view icon on the sidebar. Configuring your theme, editor settings, and other preferences by going to File, Preferences, Settings. Thanks for watching.